Understanding in a bear market. A guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, in a bear market. This term is widely used in finance and economics. But what does it actually mean? Let's dive in and find out together. The term, bear market, refers to a period in the stock market where prices are falling or are expected to fall. The origin of the term comes from the way a bear attacks its prey, swiping downwards. This downward movement symbolizes the downward trend in the market. It's important to note that a bear market isn't just a small dip in stock prices. It usually means a significant drop of 20% or more over at least a 2-month period. In a bear market, you'll often see widespread pessimism and negative investor sentiment. Here are some key characteristics. Falling stock prices, the most obvious sign of a bear market. Economic slowdown. Often, bear markets are accompanied by a slowdown in the economy. Low investor confidence. Investors might be hesitant to invest, fearing further losses. Understanding the impact of a bear market is crucial. It can lead to reduced investment portfolios. As stock values fall, investors see the value of their portfolios decrease. Change in investment strategies. Investors might shift towards more conservative investments. Broader economic effects. A prolonged bear market can affect the whole economy, leading to recessions. If you find yourself in a bear market, don't panic. Here are some strategies. Stay informed. Keep up with market trends and news. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Think long-term. Bear markets are usually followed by bull markets, where prices rise. So, there you have it. A simple guide to understanding what it means to be in a bear market. Remember, while bear markets can be challenging, they're a normal part of the economic cycle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in your English language learning journey. Stay tuned for more insightful lessons.